These kids' favorite spinach muffins have a perfect amount of sweetness and an appealing bright green color but no intense spinach flavor. Kids and adults love them. I will show you how. Here are my ingredients. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed watching this video and loving the recipe, please be sure to subscribe and share it with your friends. This is a great help. And please hit the like with notification bell so you don't miss a single video. Thank you guys. God bless.